Pop some bottles this weekend outside, maybe by the pool or just outside with friends, because it's going to be a perfect weekend to just do that.
Yeah, a good amount of sunshine, but most importantly, the cooler weather. And not too much colder, but a few degrees below our average high, and it's going to feel really nice around here. Let's check it out. Here's the forecast across all of our microclimates for tomorrow, and temperatures going to be mainly into the upper 80s for much of the area, from the Delta to the Valley to the foothills, even the Sierra, right about 80 degrees. One of the cooler spots doesn't see a lot of temperature variation this time of year is the Bay Area. It's because that marine influence really keeps those temperatures kind of level pretty much almost every single day. But we will see some breezy weather off of the Delta tomorrow, southwesterly winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. In the Valley, though, those temperatures will be into the upper 80s, near 90, same into the foothills. Today, it's still on the mild note, though. We are seeing those temperatures approaching about 96 degrees downtown. We will be cooling off through the rest of this evening, though. We're already at the peak of the warmth of the day. Delta breeze not too far inland right now, but again, that's going to change, and the lack of that breeze is why our temperatures have been well up into the 90s so far today. A lot of sunshine. Look at the some clouds developing on the eastern slopes of the Sierra, but that's with the heating of the day, some of that monsoonal moisture. Not seeing any thunderstorms across the high terrain, though. And then you have all of that, at least the marine layer, hanging out just off the coastline. Some of that into the overnight will seep in across the Delta, giving some early morning clouds in and around areas like Vacaville and Fairfield, but that will quickly give way to sunshine tomorrow. We will see plenty of sunshine through the rest of the afternoon. Temperature-wise, that's the big story. Starting off nice and cool, comfortable, upper 50s in the morning. By the afternoon, we're peaking at about upper 80s with plenty of sunshine, and then same into the Sierra as temperatures start off about the 40s by 8 o'clock, lower 50s, and then we're on our way up to about 80 degrees by about 4 o'clock, smooth sailing. We will see some breezy conditions across the eastern slope of the Sierra. This will elevate fire concerns tomorrow because not only do we have low relative humidity, but now we have the breezy winds. It's not critical, but it's something we'll be keeping an eye on for sure as we go into your tomorrow's time frame. Here's your forecast going into tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, about 5-6 o'clock. Temperatures into the 80s, really nice. Gonna just soak it in, enjoy it. And then by Sunday, we're going to do this once again as temperatures peak into the upper 80s, near 90 degrees. Doesn't last much longer though, because next week we will see a change in the pattern. Right now, there's a trough across the Pacific Northwest that's cooling us down this weekend, but by next week. Yeah, see that? It's a ridge of high pressure, and it's really going to be building, and that will result in above average temperatures across much of the western third of the U.S. All right, here's your forecast for the week ahead. Temperatures going into the weekend, as we mentioned, upper 80s. That's our nice little cool down. And then by Tuesday, Wednesday, as we warm it up, temperatures will be approaching the century mark once again. So at least this cool down, Tony, is coming on the weekend.
I know, perfect timing.
Yeah.
And then no triple digits, at least officially yet.
Not yet. I'm leaning toward maybe Wednesday. I might have to bump that up.
Okay.
We'll
see. Wednesday's always a rough day, so we'll get through it.